Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix Mortal Kombat 1 early access not working error. So for multiple reasons, many players are currently reporting that they are unable to play Mortal Kombat 1 early access. But the first is to check your system requirements. First of all, make your PC meets the minimum system requirements to play Mortal Kombat 1 smoothly on your device. In case your PC is not powerful enough to play the massive online games like Mortal Kombat, you won't be able to play early access to the game. So restart your device or PC or console. Many players have managed to resolve this issue simply by restarting their gaming devices like PC or console. So press and hold the power button until the console shuts down completely. Unplug the power cable. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. Plug in the cable again and then turn on the console. Okay, that's it for our second step. For our third step, disable your firewall and antivirus program. Sometimes your security program can also interfere with the game connections. So try disabling your firewall and antivirus program temporarily or configure a security program to allow the Mortal Kombat 1 early access to communicate with the game servers. There are also generic methods where you can work on that problem. So make sure your internet connection is fast and stable. A poor and unstable connection can cause a lot of issues, including Mortal Kombat 1 early access, not working problems. Outdated or incompatible graphics drivers can cause issues with games. So make sure you have the latest graphic drivers installed for your GPU. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.